Hi guys, my name is Kailee Wesley and welcome to my channel. So today we are going through my Project Pan items to see my progress. So let's get into this. My first item being the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I used this multiple times throughout the month. I'm still not done. I'm going to keep it until it's done. I don't know how long my friend had it before me, and I like it so much that I'm willing to go ahead and just keep using it until it's done. The product was maybe to this line right here, right under Hangover, if you can see, but now there's not much in it. There's at least maybe to the bottom of this line, so I used quite a bit of it and I really enjoy it. So I really underestimated this guy. I used maybe 1 to 2 pumps each time I did my makeup. I thought it was only going to last me 1 to 2 weeks, which I feel like I did this more than 14 times. So now I will be counting how many times I use it now. Thank you, Christina Chang, for doing that to me. If you haven't watched my Harry Potter Project Pan, I would recommend it. I was invited from Christina Chang to do that project, and I am so excited. Please go check the video out. Go check out her video. I'll link them both down below. But this was so good. I can't believe it has even lasted this long. So now this product I may have used 3 or 4 times this month. I really didn't use it as much as I thought I would, but this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It's good, but I barely used it. You can see I've barely used it, so this is gonna be my #1 primer until it is used up, because it's at least 6 months old. So I am going to use it, get it out, and be done with it, and honor its fond memory. So my third item is this L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint, and I use this as much as I used my next product, which I use together. It's my foundation, which, if you can see the progress, I use this every time together, and I feel like I barely made a dent in this. But if you can see how far, you probably can't see it now, but if you see how far, I feel like I used a lot of this, but I feel like I didn't. I don't know. Maybe there's just a whole bunch of air and I can't feel it, but we will see. I think I will be taking these products out of my Project Pan so I can use them during the summertime. I feel like they would look best then, because this shade is 115 and it's a little dark for me at the moment, so I think I'm gonna have to wait a couple months before I can use these again. But so I will be replacing these 2 items with a NYX First Base Primer Spray and my Estee Lauder in the shade 1N2 Ecru, E-C-R-U. I bought this maybe back in November and I have yet to use it, so I need to wear it, and I know this. So I will be putting this away and most likely coming back to it in about 3 months when the summer hits, and continue to use this until that time. So, replacing it. Alright, so my next product is actually a powder. I will be inserting a photo of what it used to look like compared to what it looks like now. If you can see, I have 2 rings showing. I was mainly using this product to set my eyes or set my foundation. That's why it has been used so much, is because I literally have been using it every day. This powder will be staying in my project. I plan on hopefully using it all up within the next 2 or 3 months. I did make really good progress on it, and I feel like I can make that 2 or 3 month mark. So, alright, so my next product is an LA based Pro Concealer Pore Eraser from Lancome. If you can see my 2 little lines, I did use this, I want to say I used this product about 10 times this month. I'm not too sure. Again, that's why I'm starting to make a list. Thank you. But I do plan on still using this product until it is done with. So this will be staying in my project pan. So these next 2 products are both setting sprays. One is from e.l.f., the Matte Magic Mist and Set. And this one from NYX called Matte Finish. I'm not really into matte foundations at the moment, so I've been trying to get these out of my collection. They were both full when this project started, and this definitely feels less than half. If I shake it, I can maybe feel it around this bottom line right here. And then this, it's very dark, both of them are. So how I've been measuring this one, you can kind of see through it. I got it all the way to the dots down here between e.l.f. So these will be staying in my project for now until I am done with them. I need them out of my collection, you know. If you watched my last project pan video, you will know how many times I've said that, which was too many. So this next product is a Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. If you can see here, there is actually a lot less product, but I feel like the pan is not bigger. So I will be showing you a picture of what it was versus how it is. I will be taking this shadow out of my project pan. If you have seen my planned colorful year video, you will understand why. If you don't, just go ahead and watch that. I will leave that video linked down below, and if you have watched it already, you will understand why I'm not wearing pink. So there's that. Not that I am getting rid of this product, it's just going away for now. I will be replacing the shade Frog with the shade Cusp from ColourPop. I love this greenish shift to it. It's so pretty. Oh, it feels so good. I love ColourPop shadows. None compare. Let's just say that. So this next product I will be decluttering. It is my Revlon Luminance Cream Shadow. And here is the inside. If you can see, I will leave a picture of how it was before versus now. If you can see, I do not have a lot of product in this, and I realize I really just don't like cream eyeshadow, and I feel like I have used this product enough to get my money's worth, so it does not bother me decluttering this. Alright, my next product is this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Grind, and if you can see my progress, this was great for my 28 days of pink, red, and purple. Let's say I would be done with my eyeshadow look, I would add some of this on the top and it would be so pretty. I highly recommend this if you guys want something pink. It looks like it has pink, purple, and green tint to it. It's odd until you see it in person. It's beautiful. I would put it all over the lid, and it would make it feel a little crusty, which was okay for me because I loved the way it looks. So, but since it is pink, I am not going to be using this for a while. So I'm taking it out of my project pan and pulling in something else. I will be replacing my Urban Decay glitter eyeliner with this Deck of Scarlet liner. This one is pink and this one's gold. Like I said, if you have not watched my colorful year video, I will link that down below so you can watch it and find out why I'm doing this. I will be weighing this because you can't really see on the inside how much it is. So I will insert a picture of how much it weighs. I'm hoping to use as much of this product during the month of March as I can, and let's see where it takes us. Alright, something else I'm taking out of my project pan is my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It is very cool toned but beautiful. I have hit major pan in it. I had already hit pan in it before, but even more this time, and I'm super excited that I made such progress on that, and I can't wait to bring it back into my project pan, but for right now, it's going to the side and I'm pulling more in. Now, I will be replacing this butter bronzer with my face palette. I want to use as much of this as I can. This is a random eyeshadow. My other Z palettes are basically full and it's the only place I could fit it. But my goal is to use as much of this as possible. I have a warm tone, I have a cool tone, I have a warm tone, I have a cool tone, I have warm tone, cool tone, I have a cream contour. I have basically everything I need in here. I think this is a good replacement, don't you think? You know, because I basically have everything in here that I need, so there goes my blush. My next product is my Becca Shimmering Perfector in Champagne Pop. I'm so excited to show you guys this because I've made so much progress on it. I feel like I will, again, before, after, I'm sick of saying it, sorry. I loved this product. I love it so much that the cap is broken off of it. So it is going to be staying in my project. Either I will be sick of it or I will end up throwing it away. One of the two. My next product is the Hey Honey Besame Mucho Shea Butter Lip Balm. Oh, it was so great. I am pretty sure that this will be gone in 2 days because I've used so much of it. It is starting to spit at me, you know? So I got it from down, all the way down. I love this stuff and it smells good, it feels good. I think we got it in a BoxyCharm Ipsy. And it is so good. It is still one of my favorite chapsticks. And my next product is from Bite Beauty. I actually used it up yesterday, and the irony in this situation is that I just filmed my empties video yesterday. A lot of products ran out on me yesterday. This, my micellar water, I have a nighttime serum that ran out on me. So many things. But I have like that little bump left, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to just use it just for this little bump. Like, it was great and I got my money's worth, and it was a birthday gift from Sephora, so I didn't ever technically spend money on it, but it was amazing. I will be replacing my Bite Beauty lipstick with the NYX Liquid Suede. They're kind of the same color, but this one, I like the formula better than this one. This one was creamy, but it was a little too creamy for my taste. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a little too weird. Again, since you can't see through this product, I will be weighing it and popping a picture up on the screen. I hope to use as much of this as I can, and let's see where it takes us. Okay, something that I am willing to use just a tiny bit of is a lipstick color that I'm wearing now in Anastasia Beverly Hills, the shade Kiss. I have so little left. It was to the bottom of the S, and now it is to the bottom of the A. It is so... there's barely anything, but I'm still like, I need every little bit of it, so... if you could tell how much I liked it. That's it. And this will be staying another month. Or should I? No, I might as well get rid of it because, no, I will take it out of my project pan, but I will keep it in my collection because it deserves it and it's my favorite. So I will be replacing my ABH Bullet lipstick with this Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. Again, I will have to weigh this product. I actually enjoy this product. I know I'm not a huge controversial person. That's not what I'm into. So I love this lipstick. It's kind of like the palette from one of my videos I had used. The owner of the palette is not a very big, highly recommended person, but I love the palette. And it's the same with this lipstick. I'm sorry that people have... I don't want to rub people the wrong way, you feel me? So, but I will be using this lipstick. I really enjoy it. I hope this lasts me longer than a month, but it feels really light, so let's see. Okay, my next item is also a lip product. It started right here and is down to, I haven't made a mark yet, but it is, I've used this maybe 3-4 times. It's not something that I reach for, which is sad because I have opened it. I need it. It has a 12-month. Okay, I would just rather use this lip plumper and get a new one that doesn't feel so extreme on my lips, if that makes any sense. So I will be keeping this in for another month and hopefully I will use it all. It will be my goal to finish it. So, alright guys, that was everything, I think. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I hope you would consider subscribing, and if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. I can't wait for the next update, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!